In the tapestry of life, travel is the thread that weaves together the most profound moments. It's more than just a journey from one place to another. It's an exploration of itself, an odyssey that transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. Life is a collection of stories waiting to be written, and to travel is the ink that colors the pages. It's about connecting with people, embracing different cultures. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a hidden gem in the Bay of Bengal, where every step unveils a new chapter of adventure and tranquility. Venture into the heart of unspoiled nature, where dense jungles echo with the songs of endemic birds and pristine beaches offer a sanctuary for those seeking solace. The Andaman Islands are a playground for the intrepid traveler. Dive into the crystal clear waters, a kaleidoscope of marine life, and a vibrant coral gardens awaiting your exploration. Whether you are an avid diver or a first-time snorkeler, the underwater world here is a masterpiece of nature's artistry. As the day fades into hues of orange and pink, you'll find tranquility in the simple beauty of the Andaman Islands. This is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of adventure. So embrace the unknown, wander with purpose, and join me on my trip to the Andaman Islands.